Retool AI is making waves as an internal app builder, but is it really as user-friendly and powerful as it sounds? Today, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of Retool AI to see if it's worth your time and investment. Retool AI is designed to help teams build internal tools quickly and efficiently. At its core, it allows users to create web applications by connecting to various data sources, like APIs and databases, without needing extensive coding skills. The drag and drop interface is quite intuitive, making it accessible for non-developers, while still offering enough flexibility for those with coding experience to dive deeper into customization. One notable feature is its ability to integrate with popular services like Google Sheets and Firebase, which can save a lot of time. However, while the platform seems robust, some aspects feel a bit limited. For instance, the documentation could be clearer, especially for first-time users trying to navigate complex integrations. Overall, Retool AI stands out for teams looking to streamline internal processes, but it may leave advanced users wishing for more features. Pros of Retool AI include its user-friendly interface and quick setup, which can be a game changer for teams needing to deploy apps fast. The integrations with various data sources are also a big plus, making it versatile for different business needs. On the flip side, some users may find the pricing model a bit steep, especially for startups or smaller teams. Additionally, while it's great for building basic apps, more complex functionalities might require a deeper understanding of coding, which could be a hurdle for non-technical users. There's also a noticeable lack of community support compared to other platforms, which can be frustrating. Overall, while Retool AI is promising, it might not suit everyone, particularly those seeking advanced capabilities without a steep learning curve. In conclusion, Retool AI is worth considering for teams that need to build internal tools without extensive coding knowledge. However, if you're looking for a platform that can handle more complex requirements, or if you're on a tight budget, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's a solid choice, but comes with a few caveats.